Okay, students, I am very happy to present this small piece of work to teach to you. And today we are going to talk about the replacement of item that deteriorate. That means to the value of that particular item is going down day by day, or year by year, or week by week. That's called deteriorating. So there are two cases when the time is continuous, and another one is when the time is not continuous. It is discrete. So what would be the formula? Okay. Uh, Now for this particular type of problem, what we are seeing is that first we are finding out the total maintenance cost incurred in n years for the product, and that is equal to integration of f of t dt. Because that gives you the total maintenance cost incurred on a particular object. Okay. Uh, Now, what is the total cost involved in that is integration of the dt, or now the total incurred during the n years. Okay. So during the n years, what we have to do is that we have to add c minus s plus integration of the dt. You may ask what is c? C is the cost price of the particular product, and s is the scrap value of the particular product. Okay. So c minus s, we have to calculate, add this with the integration of the dt, that is total maintenance cost incurred on the particular product, and that will give you the total incurred cost during n years. Now, what we are interested in is that we have to find the annual average cost of n years. For n years, what is the total average cost? Okay, why we have to calculate this? Because if the total, we are calculating the average annual cost for each and every years, then which is the very least average annual cost, that years we have to replace. Okay, so to find the average annual cost of n years, the formula is given by f of n equals 1 by n c minus s plus integration f of t dt. F of n equals 1 by n c minus s plus integration f of t dt. That's what the formula. So for each and every year, for the first year, you put n is equal to 1 here, n is equal to 1 here, all other values this, that will give you the total annual cost for the first year. For the second year, you put n is equal to 2, will get 1 by 2, then calculate this, you'll get the average annual cost for the second year. Similarly, for how many years are given, you find out, and that will give you the total average costs. Okay, right. So now what we have to do is that in the total average cost, okay, the total average cost, which is the very minimum, very minimum total average cost, that's we have to calculate, and straight to that, which is the time, and that time is the correct time or appropriate time that we have to replace the item. Okay, so this is one of the type of the problem is given in your syllabus. Thank you very much. In the next class, we will be discussing about taking one problem. I will explain to you. Okay, so thank you very much, my friends. Thank you.